Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the RST Premium. They call it a rucksack. I'm going to call it a backpack. Backpack and removable helmet carrier. Okay, the retail on this is $99. You want to see what we're selling it for, please visit the website to see the price. What I can tell you is it is one hell of a deal on a pretty kick-ass backpack. A lot of storage, a lot of features, a lot of bennies. One of the things I really dig about this is this helmet carrier. How they designed it is it's fully removable and it's essentially a standalone product all by itself. Realistically, how often are you going to be riding around with a spare helmet on the pack? You know, it's not super often. So what's cool is this adds a lot of value outside of just using it as a transport device. Zip it open. It's all lined with soft fabric here internally to avoid scratching your precious helmet. You can see I certainly wouldn't trust my kick-ass Spider-Man helmet to some subpar helmet bag. Slip it in, stretch it over. Obviously, you want to exercise some level of caution when you're zipping it up, but look at that, right? And then this, of course, can just reattach right to the helmet bag. I'm sorry, to the backpack. Those are all really strong, secure, adjustable connection points. So if you do, in fact, need to ride with a helmet on there, say you're going to pick your girl up, go out and do a little two-up on the town, need to transport the helmet, no problem, you can do that. If you're going to the racetrack, you're a track day / street rider, this could be a great storage and transport device for your helmet. So it's not just rattling around in the back of the truck or in the trailer. So a little bit of a value add there. Continuing on, features and benefits of the pack. It's pretty standard stuff that we see. The quality of the construction is good. We have adjustable shoulder straps that are padded for comfort. You can see the padding here for the back along with the channel for ventilation. When you put a backpack on, it definitely adds a layer so it can add some heat. This channeling just helps to make it more comfortable, promote airflow. Adjustable chest strap, which is you're able to slide this up and down here on this red piping, okay, so you can fit it in the best possible spot for you. Storage, there is just a ton of it. This top pocket is fleece lined, super soft. It's got a zip, nice padded handle for when you're carrying the pack around, you're off the bike. There's two exterior net pockets that have a little Velcro here at the top, so if you really need to load this thing up, you got a couple exterior pockets to work with as well. This pocket here on the bottom is kind of interesting. You can see it's ventilated, the two eyelets there. Now, it looks like, the way this is stitched, I wouldn't put anything heavy in here, but let's say you need to ride with something that's a lot bigger and it's not super sharp on the edges or super heavy. You could just zip that open and it expands the largest of the pockets. You can see all the way down here. Conversely, you could take and push that inward, and let's say that you have a super sweet pair of short riding boots that you like to use. I tried to fit a set of race boots in here. That dog was not going to hunt. But these fit right in there. So let's say I've got my super comfy DCs that I want to walk around in and look amazing. But when I ride, I want to have on some protective boots that are a little stiffer. And if I had my choice and I want to walk around my destination wearing these, you got plenty of room for your street shoes in here. And once you get to your destination, you could take off your short riding boots, just throw those bad boys right in here, zip it back up, right? And you're good to go. You could have your helmet on here too if you want to carry your helmet and your shoes and store them somewhere. So many options with this thing. We'll get into the inside pockets now real quick. You know, a product like this too, oftentimes you see the images, there's a brief product description. Nobody pays backpacks any attention when it comes to describing the product, so it's hard to understand what you're totally getting if it's going to meet your needs. Quick access exterior pocket right here. Mid-level pocket here. You open this one up, a couple layers of slip pockets here to hold pens, keep everything nice and separate. Another zip storage pocket right here. And then of course you have the largest of the pockets, which is here. And there are dividers that are built into this little spandex there. Easily hold a laptop. This thing is big. You could put a giant ass laptop in here and transport it, no problemo. Clearly the folks at RST, they did their research, did their homework, and they came out with a piece of riding luggage that made sense and sold for a great price. This is the premium backpack. They're going to say rucksack. I'm going to say backpack from RST.